Nice vapor trails. A little bit of snow out there, but I tell you, man, we're in for a real monster of a snowstorm coming our way. Let's wait a couple of days. Today's date is January 26, 2015. See, I'm parked over there. And they're saying we're going to get hit with some really big snowfall totals. Well, as promised, Blizzard JUNO is here. The time is now roughly 9 a.m. I'm blowing and drifting the snow. Visibility is very poor. You see a lot of snow is right in front of my parked car. I won't be able to work on the driveway until perhaps tomorrow morning. I'm going to try to start really early. I think a few months from now I'll be using this window to videotape all those Tstorms. It's to my north over Cameron's place. Cameron, my young Tstorm buddy. Yeah, she lives in Natick, Massachusetts, near Boston. Yeah, she gets a lot more stuff than I get because she's away from the sea breezes. Well, visibility is way down. You can barely see the trees out back. I'm not sure how much we got. I'm guessing at least a foot, 12 inches. Microphone there when we get to the Tstorm season. Records pretty damn good. Talking about Tstorms, I was just listening to the audio tape of my 6/26/88 Tstorms. You heard right, 1988. We had a lot that day. I mean, a lot. Thunder started at 4 in the morning and didn't really end until 2 in the afternoon. And between 6 and 11, there were a lot of CGs and huge thunderclaps. Yeah. Train effect Tstorms caused by a strong cold front intercepting with a warm air aloft and everything. That's the day I know I'll never forget as long as I live. Neighbor and his son shoveling. Decided to do it today. I'm going to do my work tomorrow. Amazing. Look at them go. Unfortunately, the snow appears to be fluffy, so that really makes all the difference. At least it's not the paper mache kind of snow that we all dread, other than freezing rain. Okay. Well, this is the morning after. Did some work already. I started shoveling at 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah, see, I did some work out there. See, I shoveled the end of the driveway there, and there's Jenny, our next door neighbor. And you see, I did some work around the car already. Alright, I'll take the camcorder down and get a better shot. Just looking outside the lower south-facing window. You can see what I've done here. So I got 3 shovels. Yeah. The one with the straight handle, I use that to prime, and I make blocks out of it. I just pick it up with those S-shaped shovels and throw them aside, build thunderheads. Yeah, they do look like thunderheads. There's a big one right where Jenny is, in the red coat. No thunder from it though. Yeah. By the way, the time is now 9:30, so you can see I got a lot done. My guess is I probably got about 15 inches. By the way, up front here, these are buckets of sand that I collected from the nearest beach, so I can spread around so people don't have those god-awful slip and fall accidents. And of course my phobia, as I told you about, I hate them falling on their wrong side. I don't dare take any chances, so I spread the sand. Alright, exactly 6 months ago today, on 7/28/14, major tornado hit Revere, Massachusetts, exactly 6 months ago today. My young friend Cameron remembers that herself. And Tom from New Hampshire may remember that also. Yep, 6 months. No tornadoes today. Pretty sky, actually. Okay. That's all the video. Yeah, finished work here. All this. Yeah, awesome. Well, it looks like thunderheads. Looks like a line of thunderheads, huh? It sure does. Impressive. Did all this work myself, although the plow guy named Chris Hall, he did come over and he did the driveway. However, I did the rest of the work. I can see it's all done. Yeah. Next door neighbors too are done. Yeah. See, I'm parked over there. I was able to get my car out without any problem, thankfully. Yeah. Pretty sky. Something really warming thin. Yeah. Quite a drift there. Alright. Oh, very pretty. Okay, that's all for now.